First, I want to explain about literature first. By Wikipedia, literature means literary works, example of poetry, drama, novels, and so on. You could say that literature is a reading material consisting of letters, numbers, and images that can be used for activities and collection of rating or searches of information containing various kinds of knowledge. And the card behind me is example of literature media, and the name of this card is flashcard. I have two types of flashcard. The first is action verb flashcard, and the second is transportation flashcard. I will use the action verb flashcard. This is the card with the picture, and then action verb like a hug. This one, hug, and then cook, smell, and then dance, eat, and sing. This card very suitable for a primary school, and how to use this card is the student need to choose one of these cards. Example is sing, and they need to tell their experience in the front of the class so their friend will hear that. And I think that's all for me. Thank you.